Hello everyone. Today, we will be discussing the importance of proper care, a balanced diet, and regular exercise for maintaining the health and happiness of your ring-necked talking parrot. First and foremost, proper care includes providing your parrot with a clean, spacious, and comfortable living environment. This includes a spacious cage, appropriate nesting boxes, and a comfortable perch or climbing structure. Remember to keep your parrot mentally and physically stimulated with toys, games, and daily interaction. A balanced diet is essential for your parrot's overall health and well-being. Parrots primarily consume three main food types: seeds, fruits, and vegetables. It's crucial to provide a mix of all three to ensure your bird receives all the essential nutrients it needs. Avoid giving your parrot human foods, as they can cause digestive issues and are not suited to their diet. Regular exercise is also vital for your ring-necked talking parrot's well-being. Engaging in physical activities such as flying, perching, and exploring their environment helps keep their body strong, healthy, and happy. Additionally, exercise promotes a healthy relationship between you and your parrot, fostering trust and understanding. In conclusion, proper care, a balanced diet, and regular exercise are the keys to ensuring your ring-necked talking parrot remains healthy and happy. By following these guidelines, you can help your bird live a fulfilling and long-lasting life. Remember to consult with the veterinarian if you have any concerns about your bird's health or dietary needs.